Hi, so today we're going to be talking about the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. I've created this little infographic just to talk a little bit about it. So what it does is it provides special education services for children with disabilities from the time they're born until they graduate high school. So not just from the time they start school, but from the time they're born. It was originally passed in 1975 as the Education for All Handicapped Children Act, and about every 5 years it was updated, with the most recent being in 2004 when it was reauthorized. It was originally created as a way to ensure that students with disabilities receive an appropriate public education. The law was created to ensure children have a free and appropriate education that is designed to meet their unique needs and prepare them for the future. So IDEA covers 13 disabilities and is designed to ensure that every student has access to the appropriate education for them. Some of the 13, for example, are blindness, deafness, language disabilities, things such as that. With the implementation of IDEA, it brought about concepts such as FAPE, which is free and appropriate education, IEP, individualized education plans, and the least restrictive environment, or LRE, which all ensure that students have an equal access to education. Along with providing services to school-aged children, it also provides an early intervention program for infants and toddlers. These services include family training, counseling, speech services, and occupational and physical therapy. The Act also allows state education departments to improve how they work with individuals with disabilities by providing funds necessary for things such as teacher education, parent training, and development of new technologies. Overall, I see that this act being implemented in the schools that I work at, and the students that are in the classrooms that I substitute in. I see their IEPs and the way that accommodations and modifications are made for them based on their learning needs. I see it a lot in test taking and really just what's provided for them. After what I've learned this week, the first thing I'll do is find a form of assistive technology that can best help my students with disabilities. I believe providing some form of technology that they can utilize at home or at school is going to help them for the future as well, not just in the classroom.